Ubwansu bw'Omugusii.
Nogosemeri kwane umwanchu muri Ndizi TV binani wendete gutware weekendi ya engia anekroditiko lya Jumamosi tariki 23 umutenyi no Ikomi mwaka wa 2023 andonse soberede bali bande kanisa rero ekera abantu barede kweroberia kwenda asiritiko lyangyo nigo cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi karango kwari ni asemesa yamangana maya Irumana rende gwatega koruchingo ngonye chenze abunili anyimo cheskusu amo nabosongo na mange akorekande imena iske Gusii igokaba morainje endunyamanye asenjera yoko yachute kangende doko yariganilia ijoga yatera asenjera yobuikiranu gekoraga enseyemo yabon maroba konera Chinsa jiga na asenjeri yoko yanyora asenjera yebingese karto kubaterana na Betron Mokero yoko nekina maliyogine chibichago cheira asenjera bene Heriane Brighton Makori. Inyora bano mwanju muri nabo ayonse nabo kana koja bwati asensemo yemitandao Facebook tonyore Ndizi TV News digital boyga sensemo ya YouTube nabo tonyora Ndizi TV News onya chingaki nabo to tweet @Ndizi TV News konde karengel gyogenda ko tuma gotera se namba era se screen igora bwa soko ya chaka ni utoja kabuna mwanyage tinge heritage kanzo nigobono yanyarege kuburia serikali ya Bongereza kwene kuna nkwiraniere omotwe bwotenyo oyukagire buna ekero tenyo anyarde kago ikorwa sama tukamaiga nigo motwoye oire tugoika ase ense ya Bongereza yani hagoja ekero omorwotyo gatatu bwense ya England yakagire gotarira ase ense ya Kenya asebono bamuborire keragoja achenesco anene ekero baganirie omotu bwotenyo
igo tugusaba compensation bato torobe chinyomba chiri chia sumbwetwe chiri chiombe chia kurumetu korworo ntobwate Gusii engima chisokoro cheito chinyomba chisokoro kero mondrarwete sesokoro yae chinyomba echo chitorobwe egentengeri nkeikoerwewe kire nyomba ya Gusii enambende neri na omotwe bw'omomuro itokoro kotenyo no iretwe okairi Bongereza
igomwe gwetera kini
ainaro to gwete bagotutira dienente
riatiketwe buna Gusii ntwanya gotindeka ntoko bana morembe mbako omotwe bw'omomuro itomorwani okoro kotenyo naba murabande mbaro abange kabisa emetu yabo yachite Bongereza igotogosaba omotu orio irane na hende obekerwe memorial asago chikogachwa toko manyana omumuro ito oiranigwe
ase chinga kiechecho bono mwanyage tinge heritage kanso abuni gabatena obotaka bore asense ya Kenya nigo bwaretetwe nabali banyarete bagotugambera ekero banyarete bakoira enibo yaito gosekero banyarete kegosariwa ekero Kenya yare koligi obosubore okwena ntori koru ase abakoroni abagambirete ense ya Kenya
bakaire nibo yaito kababono obotaka obukonya goitana na round abantu bali baito isokoro cyarenge cintenenku chikaurukere gento
bakasari
ebisarate bikasalibwa enibo babwate kagenda bono iga norigia obotaka na butokonya gweta round and wachi goira kugenda igoro kwamusiboje ise kiara abataka nabange igototagete abana baito baguchi scholarship bakonywe bagende basome mache numbu ne university yaga bagwakanirwa ne serikali ya Bongereza
yenchera ayebunu mundu ito Kenya otebi mundu yomo no gocha ku Bongereza ateme arwa masakara abana ba Gusii bagende ngumbu basome abo bate kwekonya igo bakurumete enibo yeito kiombe isabagira nabo igo mbiri mato igere mbori bakuruma kurukinse mo cyonsi binyoro byonsi bya Gusii bakoreta baraje bogitutu no baraje nyaribari
Oroboti urubono ruganye na ndochikoronyora sinjeri yubugero ikoragense yamo yabona maroba ekero muri to dipo ni asanya enda tutwariganiria asinjira yubukiranwa ekero ngosko chibosioni ya mate ya Makori asensemo ye chibuobi yegotoka se wodi ya Gisusu nyaribari masaba county ya Kisii na barabu banyarire bakwe murunga na komoche serikali asugotanyora ise oyoseta samatkoma anekera badabuna tato mwabo ngati yabari banyaride bakurwanira bosibole bwense ya Kenya kulende mbanyoiri na wanyene tanyoredwe na wanye osirete.
Nasema wali serikali ilitusahau, hata ingao walijua baba yetu aliumia, alipigana. Hata ukienda bahari analala pale, kuna nyumba bahari, kaburi yake iko hapo na nyumba yake hiyo iko hapo, lakini hakuna mtu alikuja kugeuza ati kwacha tutafute ile mzee alipigania uhuru. Atafuta hata mtoto wake mmoja. Unaona sasa ndugu yetu ndio huyu ako over 90 years. Aliretire, yes. Kwa nini hawakukuja kumuuliza watoto yenu?
Wasabiasi ndiye nilichukua na ilikuwa inanipa allowance kubwa 139 shillings and 50 cents kutoka April. Sasa ndio nilikuwa natumia masasi yangu. Alafu sasa baba yangu alikuwa huko Lumbwa na mimi naenda college simuoni. Sasa wakati nilikuwa college mara tatu, nafikiri ilikuwa kama mwezi wa 6. Ndio nilipata msichana akanifanyia, nilikuwa kwa PC service, akanifanyia hivi kutoka kwa dirisha. Akaniambia kwa college, baba yako wako na France mwaka tumuona beach nini stage ya Kisumu.
Asubano roboti ruabene marwa ya boniga tomoja kubwatia asoroboti orunga ki amateyo ekubori buna badakere konyorwa buna bali na barobarwa neto bosibore asinse ya Kenya gwikoragense ya moneno cia bono roba roboti no chikoronyora senjera yubukire korto koska bosio ekara serikali ndako bekemeroberio yogosira vocational training center nigobono school was vocational training center ya Nyore eyogotoka sebunge ya Kitutu jaje South county ya Kisii yagendere gukora buya anene asamatemwa aborokyo bakora as school korenga namatemo bakora ayo mutinyo gatano na kabere omwako yoga ni school eyo yakora buya buno mwarimu monene we school eyo Fred Ombuna agotwerera nandi bunanyara kakokokera obokoreri obugose amatemwa ayo asoka buya as school eyo.
We are very happy today because of what has been happening all through in our years when we do exams and when we release exams. So we are very glad this morning to announce to you that exams are out, that is July series, and we have done very well. It has been our norm, and I want to announce here, we have done much better than last year. We have 28 distinctions, and 102 credits. We have only 4 passes. So we have 100% pass. So first and foremost, I want to thank our trainers. They sacrificed a lot. No wonder we have those results. Again, another congratulation goes to the former candidates who sacrificed a lot, and we have attained our position. And normally our position as far as our exam, this level is concerned, we are still in number 1.
Aborokia bono beskuru yo ya Nyahole na baraboni go bago kerete amachibu yo Amayia asibono basegetire abasae wesona ni agosiko sosi skuru jobo bundi eri kwegera chikosi ao indi banyarba kwegendereria kebogima na kwirike gasi ase chikosi banyarba gosoma as vocational ao anina sogoswa as vocational training center ya Nyaore.
For Nyaore fraternity, we have been able to conquer the national exams that our students have been partaking. The July 2023 series has come out and we have passed exemplarily. And this is a confidence in Nyaore that Nyaore can produce great people for this nation. So my urge is parents should continue bringing, they should not despise technical institutions, because technical institutions are very great and have a great place in this country. Because these people, these students are the ones who are going to partake, be part of the Vision 2030 where the government intends that the country should be industrialized. People with the technical skills and those people will be able to operate in those industries. If I can give you a small scenario, I'll take a department like electrical. Electrical is the biggest employer in the world, worldwide. People who study electrical and electronics has employed most people in the labor market. It's the biggest industry according to the labor market. It's the biggest industry in terms of labor. So if we have more people studying electrical and electronics, with the vision our president has of building smartphones for this country, the people will be able to work in those industries are these students who come to technical schools like Nyaore Vocational Training Center. The county government has been supporting it and it's continuing supporting it, and we have big promises and we have a big dreams of making this school great, and we are planning to partner with more institutions so that we can elevate it to greater heights. So parents from the locality, parents from the whole nation are encouraged to bring students to technical schools so that they can be able to get skills, so that they can be able now to support themselves. Most of these
na rabono haboro kiwana arababu atekoru as college igos vocational training ya Nyaore na barbas bago keire obokorali we skuru yo asman banyarda we toma na konyora amaigelio amaya as vocational training yo ya Nyaore
na ko te baigarenda abantu ba minto abagusi kiagera skuru enene anye into abagusi into koreta bana ba mukie skuru igol to gendare bantu kirende bara leta abana skuru to choko endare jiraro sa bible moreta abana bacho to choini gaiga to skuru mukie igoro bakora to ichoira abantu baisiko bakoreta abana ko no turukana uru Mombasa bache to skuru enne.
I came here on October last year, and by December I had acquired enough skill yenye iliniwezesha. Okay, I'm a student menafanya fashion and design. So by December nilikuwa able kujitengenezea dress, kutengenezea my mother a dress. By now nimejua vitu mingi sana na uwezi compare. Ningekuwa nyumbani still nangoja nitafutiwe kazi. Sai I can be able kutengenezea mtu nguo, I sell it na inani support.
Ekerotogo sukabo siomo wasiri bobo jenu asense ya Kenya sana kuminja nikabono anyarire gakoru obo semye gosikopori bali bakore meremasi nyagitari ao okwene kubuna chimashini chirijigo kore meremasi Chinsa mejingo kwa chire meremo ya ubuya gaukwana ase county ya Kwale nigobona teruna serikali ya Kenya kwanza nigebegete merobeli ya yogosira sekta yobochenu asense ya Kenya.
Equipment services. Ukijua equipment yako iko hospitali na haifanyi, hakikisha inafanya. Haswa yule ambaye wa dialysis pale yuko. Kwa sababu najua hii ni media na atanisikia. 2 kati ya 5 ndio zinafanya kazi. Kufikia Jumanne wiki ijayo, lazima hizo dialysis zingine 3 ziwe zinafanya kazi. La sivyo avunge virago, akwende tulete mtu mwingine ahudumie watu wa hapa Kwale.
Sisi kama serikali tumetenga pesa ya kutosha kwa mambo ya afya. Na nashukuru leo hii pia umetuzindulia rasmi community health promoters ambao pia serikali ya Mheshimiwa Daktari William Ruto kupitia wizara yako wameonelea pia waongeze mkono pale.
Ekerotogo sukabo siomo nyakero bwe kiombe kia Commission for University Education Professor Chacha Nyaigoti Chacha ni gobona nyarega kuburia basae kobabiri tangani asokorali omorembe asinse ya Kenya gako yakwana yo asomoyigo baretamo abasae asokorigireria ngakibakora omorembe yathena abasae baise kubwaterana nigense ya Kenya erasukibosio.
In order for students to be peaceful in the colleges and universities, there must be quality academic programs, there must be lecturers who teach them available, and there must be nice accommodation facilities as well as the eating facilities, and generally there must be kept in the university without interference from the outsiders like politicians. So all these are areas which our strategic plan has addressed.
I'm happy to report that the Vice Chancellors have committed and they have endorsed 6 areas of focus, which now for the next 5 years, that is what we are going to focus on. The first area being youth peace and security, and here specifically they said it needs to be student peace and security. What is the role of student in
sogokorera mokonyi bumurai bwenseri katika shawa nigobona gendrete kwa kirekoko ekawa yense ya Kenya Cisco anekraderna ekawe kurwa sense ya Kenya nigere enyansu na nigere ngia anekrabona terna ense ya Belgium isoko babwatania baya na bakole ekawa kurwa sense ya Kenya.
The Kenyan coffee is the best quality in the world. And the great people of Germany deserve more of Kenyan coffee. Yes. We had a great meeting today about coffee. I am persuaded that this is the destination for our coffee, and we are going to do it with you. We had a great conversation with one of the greatest logistical companies here in Germany that deals with coffee, and we have come to a conclusion that we are going to start negotiations to open a huge warehouse for Kenyan coffee here in Germany. And I have told the ambassador here and our officials in the embassy that we're gonna market that coffee. And we are not going to get people from Kenya to come and do it. No. They are already Kenyans.
Mona mange tomirane kuragense ya moya bona marwaba ndetu mayinga kyanda tawata kaime na isko ya Gusii hotobatana Petra Mokera yone kuna malegine chibichago cheire asinjira bene kuna botambiriane Brighton Makori.
Omurigireria bwetele